How to buy Battle Pass in Fortnite. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to buy Battle Pass in your Fortnite account. So first of all, just open your preferred browser, and after that on the search bar just simply search for Fortnite game, and after that just simply click on the first link that you will see on the top. Since I don't have Fortnite downloaded in my mobile device as of now, so the first link will open up in my Epic Game Launcher that I have installed in my device. As you can see that I'm in the Epic Game Launcher and the Fortnite game is right there. So you have two options. So either you can go ahead and buy Battle Pass in your Fortnite account itself, and if you don't have Fortnite available with you right now, just simply buy Battle Passes in the Epic Game Launcher, and after that just redeem them in your Fortnite game. So in order to buy them, just simply click on the three dot menu icon from the right hand side of the screen, and over here on the search bar just simply search for Battle Pass. Just simply click on search, and over here you will be able to see a bunch of different options. Just simply click on the first Battle Pass that you will see on the top, and now here it says that you have to download the particular application in order to buy this particular Battle Pass. So just simply go ahead and download this particular app, and after that just download the Battle Pass coming along with this particular game and app. And this way your Battle Pass will be added in your Epic Game Launcher that you can go ahead and redeem afterwards in your Fortnite account or game. So this is basically how you will be able to buy Battle Pass in Fortnite. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.